Good morning, everyone. We're back in the deer stand this morning. Closing day of PA rifle season. Still got a few tags to fill. It's raining one today. Might be some fog. We'll see whenever it gets daylight here. I have a doe tag still. Brody has a doe tag still, and Chad has a buck tag. I'm sitting over some thick stuff down in here. And I only have some small windows to shoot through, so whatever happens is probably gonna happen fast, so we'll see if they get up off their feet today and get moving. Cold, rainy, foggy, last day of PA rifle season, and didn't know if the deer would be moving or not today. I was messing with my heater trying to turn it on and get warmed up here, and I look up and there's 5 doe walking up through here, so I turned the heater off and got situated and wait till they all got decently close. Waited till she stopped, shot her right in the front left shoulder, and she ran down probably 80, 90 yards down in there, laid over, so I'm gonna wait till Brody gets here to get down. He's about 100 yards to the left of me, and should be coming here soon, so I'll be getting down, and pretty good last day here in PA, and we'll get down to the doe here and get you updated whenever we get down there.
Look at this trail that they were using. That trail. Decent. Pretty close. We found her laying down here. We can't find any blood because it's a little wet. So blood's gonna be hard to see, but she's laying right down here, so go grab her.
Yeah, this trail's pretty beaten down, but she was running down. She was falling all over the place. There she lays. That white right there is her stomach. Oh yeah. She's pretty big. There she is. Just tap her with your foot. I think she's dead though. Oh yeah, she's dead. Alright. Heck yeah, brother. Let's go, baby. Whew. Oh, you drilled her too. That's a nice shot. Later on, we're going to be doing a drive in the afternoon because my dad still needs a buck and I still need a doe, so we'll see what we can get done then. Another deer down. More meat in the freezer. It's only 10 o'clock. Gonna go get ourselves some breakfast and come out later, do some pushing around and see what we can get moving. See you in a little bit.
It's the afternoon here. We're gonna do the same drive that we did last week where we were successful on, so I'm gonna hurry up and do a couple drives here. We got some rain coming and I think the wind's gonna start blowing here, so.
My dad's gonna sit in the stand that Mitchell was in last week, and I'm gonna sit right here where Noah was, and I'll see if I can get one down, me or Dad. They don't all work. We're gonna go up here and do another push, maybe another one after that. See what we can get done on the last day of PA rifle season.